I'll show you a way to turn a bottle into a bank.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, have you heard about the goose that laid the golden egg? Well, I've got one. Look at that. Well, okay, it's not a goose, it's a chicken. And no, it doesn't lay eggs. It lays money. That's my kind of chicken. And believe it or not, it's all made from one of these, an empty plastic bottle. It's a kind of bottle bank. Simple to make in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. For the first part, you need to get someone to help you carefully cut out a money slit into the opposite side of the bottle to the handle. Then lay the bottle down onto the handle, and this end is the head end. The end with the lid is the tail end. To create the body shape, scrunch and shape a small pillow of newspaper and tape it onto one side of the bottle. Then do exactly the same on the other side and curve some of your paper underneath to form a sort of padded base. Now I'm using double-sided tape for this, but you use plenty of sticky tape. Stick some more newspaper to the front end, the end without the bottle top, and this is the chicken's breast. And for the chicken wings, make 2 smaller newspaper pads and tape them at the sides. Your chicken also needs a tail, so take some more newspaper, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then fold it into a sort of triangle like this, and then just fold it over and pull the tail up a bit so it's at a jaunty angle, and tape that into place on your chicken's body. And again, you use plenty of tape for this. So when you've done that, you have your very basic chicken shape. And it's a good idea to use lots of tape to make it nice and secure. Now you need to make your chicken's head and neck. To make the chicken's neck, you need to fold a semicircle of card into a cone and then just tape it into position. Use plenty of tape again for this. And when you've attached the cone to your chicken's body, then you have to flatten the point a bit like that. Then make a head from a newspaper ball and add little newspaper eyes, a card beak and a comb on top of the chicken's head. Then just place it on the bent bit of cone and tape it into place. Next, you can add some feather detail using bits of cereal box card cut like this, and then stick them on so they overlap, and use as many as you want until you get a fully feathered friend. Now the card feathers on both wings and even some on the breast. Now she needs some legs. To give your bird some legs, roll bits of cereal box card into tubes like these. Attach some cardboard box feet to the tubes and some newspaper ball thighs at the top, and glue or tape the legs to the underneath of the bird so they're nice and secure. You don't want everything to fall apart when you stand it up. And here's a tip. When you've attached the legs, make sure that you test that they're in the right place and the bird will stand up before you continue doing anything else. Look at that. Ta-da! Now she needs a bit of chicken skin. For this, you need torn bits of kitchen tissue and glue mixed in equal parts with water. Now the idea is to paint on the glue mixture all over your chicken and just lay on strips of your kitchen tissue and then paste over them. Now you don't need to cover the whole bird, just use the glue and tissue to smooth over certain areas like where the head and neck join. And just pop the tissue on there like that, mould it to shape, and then put some on near the start of the feathered areas just to secure them. And whatever you do, make sure you don't put tissue over your money slit or the lid of your bottle. Just carefully go around the edges of those places. And when you've done all those bits, let the glue dry. Now it might take some time, and when it's dried, you'll have a good strong skin that makes a good surface to paint on. And when the whole bird is painted, here she is, you just pop your money into the top like that and save away. And if you want to get your money out, just turn around, take the bottom off, or the lid, and out it comes. Brilliant, eh? And of course you can use a plastic bottle, like in this one, as the basis for any type of bird bottle bank. How about a duck, complete with webbed feet, or a peacock? And you can see it's roughly the same as a chicken for the body. It's just got a huge load of tail feathers made out of card. And look at this, a flamingo, a sort of chicken shape with a long neck and very long legs. And what about this chap, a toucan? He's got a big colourful beak. Try it yourself. Bird bottle banks.